Bienvenido, or welcome, to the Spanish kitchen. Today I'm going to cook fish a la plancha. It's Dorada, a fish that's common in the supermarkets, and I'm doing this today for Tony and Michelle, who are moving to Spain later this year. They're going to need some ideas, what they can cook and what's available from the local supermarkets. And when I go around their house, I'll expect them to cook some for me. Now, let's get on with it. The fish is very popular in the supermarkets. It's actually a farmed fish, but it's available in all supermarkets. They will clean it inside and descale the fish for you, so there's no nasty chewy bits get stuck in your mouth. Okay, so I have the lemon, slivers of garlic and onion, and I'm going to put them all inside the body cavity, like so. In no particular order, we'll just see what fits in. As I said, it's the first time I've done this, but I have eaten it before and I can really recommend it. Hopefully I'll make it as nice as what I've eaten in fine restaurants. That looks a little bit more garlic I'll put in there. I've turned on the plancha and I'll brush it with a little bit of olive oil, or a lot of olive oil. I don't want that fish sticking to the metal surface. I've got the plancha on almost full. Then I'll do the same with the skin of the fish. Give that a nice covering of olive oil. The price of olive oil has come down recently, so it's not such an extravagant oil to use. I can feel the heat from that plancha. Then all we do, put the oil to one side, lift up the fish and gently lay it onto the plancha. It sounds to be bubbling away nicely there. The fish has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. We'll start with the other side. That skin will start looking like it's nice and crispy. The fish has been cooking another 5 minutes roughly. We'll try turning it again. As I say, this is the first time I've ever cooked this fish like this. I imagine that the way to see if it has been cooked is by looking inside the body cavity and seeing if the ingredients inside there have been cooked at all. Yes, that's looking very nice. I don't like the idea of the fish looking at me on the plate. I think I'll take the head off now, and I can tell that the fish is very moist inside. This bit's going in the bin. One more turn, a few minutes, and I think it will be done. So let's just turn off the plancha, lift the fish and put it on the plate. There's not much room for any chips there. I'll try removing a bit of this skin. There we have it. I'm not sure what this fish is called in other places. It looks a bit like sea bass. I'll just have a little taste. Delicious. I'll have another taste. And there we have it. Dorada a la plancha with a side salad, and I'm just going to put my chips on in a second. I waited a long time for that, it was well worth it. That's the finished plate with the chips on. Eat and enjoy. Is that what you wanted, Tony? Are you going to make me some? When you get to Spain, I'll gladly eat it if you make it as nice as this. See you all next time.